Hi guys, we have this Dabur Squeezy honey pack. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review and we are going to do some test also to check whether honey is pure or not. So this 2 pack of 225 gram each has MRP of 450 rupees, but I got it from Amazon at rupees 198 and it has a shelf life of an year. I love the design of this bottle. Just squeeze as much as you need and it is 100% spill proof pack, making it mess free. Pack will obviously say that it is 100% pure with no sugar adulteration. So here we do few home tests to check the purity of this honey. So the first one is paper test. You can take a blotting paper. If that is not there, you can use tissue paper also. Just drop a few drops of honey, and if it is an impure honey, it will get absorbed and leave wet marks. Whereas if the honey is pure, there won't be any wet marks and the honey will be sticky. It won't get absorbed. So here you see on the back of the tissue, I have used 2 tissue papers. So I'm going to remove one and show you. See, it doesn't leave any wet marks. So here the result is satisfactory. Moving on to the next test, thumb test. Take a small drop of honey on your thumb. If the honey is adulterated, it will drip off quickly and pure honey will stay intact. See, I'm moving it and it is intact. So here also it seems to be pure and there is no water included in it. So the third one is water test. Add a teaspoon of honey to a bowl of water. If the honey is adulterated, it may dissolve or make the water cloudy, whereas the pure honey will settle at the bottom of the bowl and it may form lump. Unless you dissolve it, it won't dissolve. So the honey looked to be pure and natural. I didn't notice any crystal and my bottle is almost finished. It's still fresh. So the Dabur honey is available in 2 types of pack, glass jar and this plastic squeezy bottle. You don't need to refrigerate the honey. Ingredient is 100% honey only and it's compliant with 22 FSSAI parameter. It's 100% sourced from Indian market. It is good to be topped with anything, your pancakes, bread, of course milk, fruits, smoothies, and you can make energy bars, laddus. You know the best thing about honey is it doesn't expire if you store it in an airtight jar and keep it at a cool place. But it is best to consume it before the date mentioned on the jar. So we did few home tests and all indicates that it is fresh, good quality honey with no added sugar or water. Overall, I found it fresh and of good quality, and yes, I'm gonna buy it again and again. I hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.